And the gate be this one.
Those are like how many measurements with this one? Those are measurements.
This one is 16 by 8.
Okay, 16 by 8.
Yeah, rolling gate. All rolling gate must be 16 by 8. So that after your casting, your car can drive in very free.
Yes. So like this one, how much now?
This one now, this gate get cover for back stainless.
Okay.
Either gold, silver, black or blue. Depends on what you want.
Okay.
If you want cover for back, you get a 2.2 million euro.
How much?
2.2.
Okay, 2.2.
Yeah, but if you want time like this,
okay,
1.6.
Okay, like this, so yes. 1.6.
Yes.
Is that cover?
2.2.
Okay.
Then this very gate now. Sorry, my viewers, where we stand this gate, you know if you see am well. But this with the color, I see you, you no see me.
I don't see her so.
Because when you walk through this gate from outside road, you know if you see what it inside the compound.
Okay.
But over the compound, if you stand firm, they look you will see you clear. But you when you pass for road, automatically say you stand, call it look somebody gate. Because you say what you dey find for here.
Exactly. So
this gate now you see me, I not see you.
Okay.
As you dey inside, you see everything clear, but you dey outside. You can't see inside.
You can't see inside the compound. Like this one, Ghana, how much be this one?
This gate now na 1.6.
Okay, 1.6.
Yes, 1,600,000.
Wow. So let me tell you, Oga.
Now the same pattern when they outside.
There was this here because our audience like good things well. My emotion that the one like the one wey dey outside when we talk yesterday, say if you dey cover, say the amount if you be like this. The amount will still come down.
Like this very one now 21 feet by 8 feet. So the compound where this gate, the trailer will drive enter.
Okay, this very one.
Yeah, then we got one over wide like this.
Wow.
So this one as it be so now 2.8.
Okay, like this very one.
Yes, no stainless.
Okay.
They will see direct like this.
Direct like this.
Yes.
Like the one where you cover like stainless. Like how much?
For this one? I'm not sure if you use that for a house.
Okay, because company with this one.
Yeah, let you use this one.
Okay. So
this one now the same thing with the one when they outside.
Okay.
If you cover the back 2.2. If you not cover the back 1.6.
Okay. So my people, now don't hear now was shop with this one. But okay, I see this one. This one
balcony, veranda. This one with the put price according to the way we take measure them.
Okay, we have to measure them.
Yeah, this
one I see here, you will see tell us now.
This one a wrought iron. This work when there's on 1.3 million euro.
1.3 million euro.
Yeah, this 3 veranda.
Go down, that one say join.
No, you don't have different work.
Okay.
This one a wrought iron square pipe. While this one a 2 mm square pipe. This one many. We just carry some gold yesterday, as I tell you just now.
Yes. So
the one we remember one can go tomorrow. Now ain't be this one so.
Okay.
I just did this one. And the same design.
The same design, yes.
But this one iron no be wrought. So na complete 2 mm.
Okay, complete 2 mm.
Yes.
And it not the rust.
No, nothing concern rust.
Okay.
Now good afternoon. The person where my viewers they watch me from. I want to show now the latest door and the latest price when we get to our workshop now.
Okay. So at the city first doors here, guys. So we'll start here. Okay.
Like this very one, although maybe too much new door. Don't view, don't watch, don't see all this door. I did on a 3 feet door.
3 feet door?
Yes, single 3 feet door. Exit door. That's kitchen door or bedroom or anywhere where you need single door for your house if you use and put.
Okay.
This door with original key and the quality material when we use 150,000 naira.
Okay, 150.
Yes.
But this will not be double door.
No.
Okay, this one is single.
Not single, 3 feet by 7 feet.
Okay.
3 feet by 7 feet.
So I say the plenty here.
Then this very one again, now still 3 feet by 7 feet, but with different quality. You see hear the sound of this door now. Very strong.
Wow.
Very strong.
Wow.
So I will say add some foreign materials join them to look foreign well. Okay. This very door now 250,000 naira.
Okay, 250.
Yeah, for single door. For
single door.
Yeah, for 3 feet by 7 feet.
Okay.
So nice day here again. The same quality. 3 feet by 7 feet, 250. Like this very one again now. At the same quality with that first one.
Yes. 3
feet by 7 feet, 150 with,
with original keys.
Okay, with
original.
Why this one come with foreign key.
Okay, this one come with foreign key.
Yeah, this very pattern come with foreign key.
Okay, with this one.
Yes.
Okay, foreign key.
Then we will come to here now. We see the 4 feet by 7 feet.
Okay.
This one at 350. But the 4 feet by 7 feet with the original key, the door view, and the stainless handle, which you will see for the other side. Then this one at the single.
The single.
The same 3 feet by 7 feet, 250. This one at the double, 4 feet by 7 feet, 350. While this one at the same door 9, this very one.
Maybe 250.
Yeah, 250. Then likewise this side, the same thing. Then the one of 150, 9 day here so, 9 day here so. Then this very one now, the one of 150, and the 4 feet by 7 feet of that one, 9 day here so.
Okay.
This one at 200,000.
Okay, this one at 200,000.
200.
Okay.
With the same original key, door view, and the handle.
Okay.
Follow this one too. Likewise, this one the same thing. This one are the same thing. No, sorry, this one is 200,000 naira. The same thing with this one. Why this one is 350?
Okay, this one might be 350.
Yeah. This one carry foreign key, foreign handle, and door view.
Okay.
Follow this one. This one the same 200. And although more do the knocking when I hear the sound of the door. This door now, I do this one. This very one now. You know the elements for.
It sounds different.
So the difference of the door is too clear. I do this one so. Then this other way around. So see the foreign key when at the top. See the foreign key when at the top.
Now the foreign key.
Yes. Now do this one now.
Wow.
Yes. Why this other one? I see the handle one at the top for this one. This one carry here. This one carry extra key.
What you say now? 350, have you?
Yeah, no. This one with this extra key na 380.
Okay, with extra key 380.
380. Well, with this normal key na 350.
Okay.
So 3,000 different. The same thing with this very one. Why this one na the grade of the 200.
Okay, grade of 200.
Yeah, 9 this one.
Okay. This
one with this extra key na 380.
Okay, 380 with extra key.
Why this one the single? This single na 250.
Okay, 250.
Yes. That's why this one 250. This one 250.
Okay.
Then we come this way. This one is the same 200. Yeah, you hear the noise? The same 200.
Okay, 200.
Yes. Why this one?
That one is on your cool.
This one at 400.
Okay, 400.
Yes. Even high past the other one.
Okay, this one a double door.
Double panel. Double door.
Double panel.
400. Why this other ones here again so it's still high pass. Yeah,
this sound quiet.
This one at 320.
Okay, 320
for this one with the same original key.
Okay.
Follow all.
And the second last one, what they?
Yeah, the same thing, the same 200.
No, so you have the design different.
No, 150.
I like it. What's the design?
Yes.
Wow.
In God we trust.
In God we trust. In I don't listen to
So this is the original key when we say we they use.
Okay.
And this one so now follow and come.
Okay, the original key.
Yes, this one is 150.
150.
As it is so.
Okay.
The same thing with this one 150.
150.
This one 200. This one 200. This one 200.
Okay, this one 200.
Yeah, this one 200 too.
And the condition I was just here.
Okay.
Okay, any door will be single, that be
150.
150
with
200.
pan.
Okay.
150. Then the double with pan is single panel.
Single, yeah.
To 200.
Okay.
So now so it be. So all this one are the same quality.
Okay, the same quality. God we trust.
In God we trust.
I say it is. Okay, let's see what is wrong. This one be fence rail.
So on a fence rail.
Wow.
Fence rail.
What's the material to do this very well?
So on a lesser cut.
Okay, lesser cut.
With 2 mm square pipe.
This will not be the one way.
Thickness of you na 2 mm. So okay. Lesser cut 2.5 mm.
Okay, 2.5 mm.
Now be this lesser cut.
Okay.
So now be this one. Now first when you follow this gate.
Okay, first we follow this
gate very good. Yes.
Okay, this first so we say laser cut.
Yes.
Now per measurement we give price we go first out. If you go measure for the for the.
Now one don't measure calculate what you want enter will give you price.
Okay, like this time we do like I know so already don't measure this one. Like this one, how much it will cost?
For this one, this one cost about 250.
Okay, each one.
Yeah, each one. Yeah.
Okay, each one 250.
Yes.
With laser, not the laser cut.
With laser cut.
Oh, okay. So now we see the one with the front too.
Okay.
So my people, like showroom we do so. I got tell us the latest price of different doors. The one we carry 40K, if you get your price. The one we carry normal key, if you get your hair.
Now the gate be this one.
Okay, now the gate be this. So my people will know your gown.
So we still get our doors here, but we never do spray finish. We still do our work.
There plenty here.
You see door, this door na for sale. This one na for sale. See the same 40 material when we add. This one na for sale.
Wow.
This one na for sale.
Wow.
So
there plenty here.
There plenty here.
Okay.
Hey, by next week we don't run the spring up.
Okay.
Then we'll order join our showroom.
So my people, another your guy, you don't tell us the latest price, but they do sell doors here, and then the producer in here for the one, and he don't tell us. So okay, what is that your name?
My name is Franco Construction Work.
Franco Construction Work. We may talk to you so. My name is Sabon. So okay, you will call your phone number and the direction where they want our staff to reach you.
Okay, my phone number is 080-662-44875
on that number
or 080-7636-1822.
Okay, and your address, sir?
My address na kilometer 10 Upper Siloko Road.
Upper Siloko Road.
By Igwadolo Community.
Igwadolo Community.
Opposite First Class Oil and Gas Filling Station.
Okay. So my people, my people are listening to the town until they watch this video.